What's up guys, welcome to today's video. Today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be working a little bit on the 2008 Tacoma. I'm going to be installing brand new front headlights and rear taillights. I got them unboxed here. Brand new bulbs as well as brand new rear taillights. These ones are just scratched up and they just don't look good. Now the rears just held on by tape because the top bolt was actually broken off inside, and on the other side a little crack in it, so giving the old Tacoma a facelift. I'll also be giving you guys a little update where I'm at with the 2013 FRS Kswap that I'll go over after I get these lights all installed. So it looks pretty basic. You got one bolt, there's a clip here you take off, and then down there there's also another little clip, if you can see. So I'm going to start disconnecting everything, and I'll show you once the old light is out. Alright, so I learned quite quickly that you actually have to take off the front grille here, because it's clipped in from the grille on both sides. So you got one bolt there, and then two of those clips, and then pop straight off. And there's where got access to unclipping that clip. A lot easier with the grill out, obviously. Alright, so another little roadblock here. There's actually a mounting little bracket here with a bolt on the bottom side. So to get to it, just pull back the liner, and then the bolt will be access through here. Okay, so I got the passenger side headlight removed. There was a bolt here as well that I didn't know about, but time to put in the new one. I'm probably just gonna cut to when I have both of them installed, and show you once it's all complete. All right, I'm pretty stoked on the difference between the two. I'll show you a comparison here. Way better. All right, time to get the driver's side one done, and I'll show you once it's all complete. All right, all complete with the installation of both headlights. I didn't go too in depth with the installation. There's lots of videos out there on how to do it, but here's the completed install. It looks so much better than before. Like, it just makes it look so much cleaner. I'll close the hood. Alrighty, now off to the rear tail. Again, I'm not going to go in too much in depth. I'm just going to show you a before and after of the rears. They're pretty... You just got one bolt down here and one here, and then there's a clip in behind here that just clips out. All complete. Looks way better. I'm pretty stoked on the outcome, especially the fronts. Fronts make it look so much cleaner. Alrighty, so the light assembly is all finished, and now I'm gonna give you a rundown on the FRS and where I'm at. Alrighty. So I've got quite a bit done. I didn't really go in depth. I didn't really want to make a video on how to do it, kind of pieces here and there, but I got the exhaust manifold all mounted up, as well as the intake manifold all mounted, and got the throttle body all mounted to the intake manifold, and I'm just starting to get my coolant lines all sorted. I got my radiator back installed, as well as the frame supporter, and now I am currently just waiting for the plug-and-play wire harness from K-Power, and then next video hopefully I can get a startup for you. But I'm pretty stoked on how it's coming along. It looks really good in the engine bay. Lots of room. Lots of room. Gotta get a video underneath there. I've got my whole drive line all finished, all bolted up. Got the transmission mount, that's all installed. If you can see up there, it's kind of hard to see. Right there. I've got my shorter selector rod all installed with the shifter plate straight ahead there. I can get you out there. Selector rod right here. It's mounted to the transmission. More accurate shifting. My exhaust is still intact. I do need to figure out how to put these two together. I'm not very good at welding, so I'll probably get a exhaust shop to do that. Pretty simple. Yeah. Other than that, it's coming along pretty well. And yeah, next video, hopefully I can show you guys the first initial startup. I'll probably have most of the wiring done. I'm not going to go too in depth with doing the wiring. There's lots of videos out there on how to do it, but I do want to show the startup. That's what I'm stoked for. Well, thank you for watching, and stay tuned. Follow my Instagram. It's Chasing Tori. I'll put it down below. And shoot a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.